50 pack opening. Let's fucking get it. Boys, what do we think the first one's gonna be?
Morado off the bat would be crazy.
Oh my god. Terrible start.
Oh,
Terrible start.
definitely terrible.
Dude, this is crazy. 50 packs? Are you fucking kidding me?
Not bad though.
Fuck.
If we get, you have a slight delay, so like on our
Alright,
end.
wait, I'm not. I'm gonna keep quiet then. Alright, nose pack. Oh my. Fellas.
Yeah, okay. Purple, Murata.
Mm.
Bro, what is that
Mm.
shit? What is that shit?
It's just a black
Oh my god.
fucking camo.
It's not
Come
looking
on,
too
I
great.
wanna hear the good noise. The good noise.
Toe
Oh, I
pack.
have that one for
It
fucking.
makes a distinct
my-
noise.
Toe pack. Oh my. Toe pack.
Oh,
I mean, that's kind of cool. I mean, I don't think I'd ever. I don't fucking play Cav.
that's pretty dope.
Microphone. Oh! 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 Alright, I need a countdown.
All right. 5, 4, 3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
Click.
What? What is with these fucking Cav skins?
Rough.
Dude, I had that one too. It's such a letdown.
What the fuck?
What even is that?
Knee. Just chalk it at this point. Dude, I will fight someone if I don't get a black ice. I swear.
You have a 1 out of 100 chance of getting a black ice.
Hey, give me
So
some
he
fucking
has a
renown
he has a
back.
25% chance of getting it. Then.
Mm-hmm.
Let me rip another toe pack. Fuck it. Nope.
No bueno.
We want Morado
Damn, we're
or
ripping.
duplicates.
Alright, there's a dude.
Duplicates for the renown, man.
Mm-hmm.
Moraro. Moraro. Not Verde. North Star.
Realistically,
What
Mike
the
has
fuck?
51. 51, like, if he gets enough renown back.
What is going on? What the fuck
We're
is
getting
going
robbed.
on?
We're getting robbed. We're getting robbed right in front of our eyes.
I didn't play this whole fucking season for this bullshit.
I think you did.
Oh! Alright, wait. Any suggestions of how I should open these packs?
Let's get a Johnson pack.
Alright, bet. Fuck!
L. Johnson pack.
I'm gonna just do a mouse. Just try and switch up the algorithm.
No.
What? What?
I was gonna say no reaction.
No reaction.
No reaction pack.
Mother fluffer! What the fuck is this? Come
It
on.
counts. Count it.
I
Count
mean,
it.
shit, it
That
counts.
That counts.
Count it.
It's for Mozzie, so.
Yeah,
At
but
least
like,
It
you
is
who
used
the
free
it.
pistol.
fuck used pist? Alright, whatever, it counts, whatever.
That's one.
I'm gonna get at least 2 more, come on now. Oh
I
my
got-
god,
I
back to
got, like-
back. Oh my god, back to back. Oh
Come on,
my
back to
god,
back.
back to back. Oh my god, please. I played this game way too much. Fuck you! I got a dupe though. I mean, that's 25, 25.
I hear your reaction before I even see
Wait,
it.
Yeah.
so wait,
Like,
how
I'm
how
like-
long how long is the delay? Like 2 seconds?
I'd say about
Like,
5 to 7.
Really?
yeah.
Alright, wait.
Mm-hmm.
It's probably longer for me
Shit.
than it is for Seb.
I'm just gonna open these next 3 rapid fire. No reaction.
There's got to be a no look pack.
Yeah, switch the algorithm back. Switch the algorithm.
Alright, you're right, you're right. Alright, no looker, no looker. Right? Oh my god, that has to be fucking purple.
Uh-huh.
Is it?
It is purple.
Oh my god. Please, Kian, I would actually love you forever.
Back turn still. Back turn still. You click it.
Oh my god, I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. I don't know.
Oh my god.
What
Yo,
is
it's the hack. It's the hack. It's actually the hack. It's the hack. It's
Yo!
Yeah. Brother.
Yo!
Oh my god.
Yo, Kian!
Oh, the no look pack.
What the fuck?
the
Yo,
back
this is
turn
actually
hack.
like a good gun too.
Oh,
The shotgun update.
oh,
The
oh, wait,
shotgun
no, who's
update.
that? Who's the fucking? It's Kevin. Who's the one on the left? Is that
Thunder-
Thunderbird?
Yeah.
Thunderbird.
Yeah, that's actually
Oh,
fucking.
this is the
Mm,
shotgun.
Shotgun buff
cool.
too.
Yeah.
That, yes.
Shotgun buff is. This
Oh,
is nice.
great
Shotgun
call,
is gonna be
Kian. Great call,
insane.
Kian. Oh my
Oh,
god,
that's
what a
beautiful.
call out of
That's
you.
beautiful.
Still controller or mouse? What do you guys say?
What was that with?
That was with my
Yeah, what was the last
controller.
one?
Alright, just keep it with the controller. So.
Yeah.
Another no looker. Another no looker. Fuck it. No, I can't.
Another
I can't.
one.
No, I can't. Yeah, nah, I can't.
I'm glad you didn't waste it.
I'm glad you didn't.
Tongue pack. Fuck. Not worth it. Drug butt. Alright, another Johnson pack. Hold on. Oh my.
If you're putting bear meat on it, I'm
Yeah,
gonna kill you.
that's crazy. That's crazy.
Nah, it's underwear barrier. Oh,
There's a barrier. Good.
wait, now I have to press A with it. Shit. What the? What is this shit? Like, I mean, you're cool.
Bruh.
Bro, what is that?
Alright,
Bruh.
switching back to Alg. Switching back to Alg.
Who's that? Who's that?
Just-
Blitz or IQ?
Yeah.
Blitz.
That is disgusting.
I just got black ice for you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you.
We don't care about this anymore.
We don't care.
That ass.
We already got the peak.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
But imagine getting a dupe black ice.
Yo,
Oh,
fellas.
that would be.
Oh,
I
no,
gotta
I would
fucking
actually
do
flip.
black ice. I actually gotta do black ice.
Let me know when I should, like, you know, no looker or, like, you know.
Yeah.
Oh my. Wait,
Get a
I'm
couple
gonna wait.
regular ones in for
No reaction. No reaction. Because you guys are late. Alright?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
What the fuck, dude? Why is it another pistol? Why is it another
That's stupid.
pistol? I mean, shit, I'll take him, but fuck.
That's funny as fuck, 'cause I just look up and I see like the fucking camera, like your face reaction, like looking over.
Alright. Fuck you. Wait, why is this strippy?
That's kind of hard.
I've seen that buck skin before. That's a good one.
22 packs, fellas.
Alright, on 20, do a no looker, and then on 15, do another Johnson pack.
Bet. I'm loving the comms.
You might be able to get 2 packs after this. You might be able to get 52 packs.
Come on!
Yeah, 52.
Fuck. Alright, no looker. Come on. Lord Gaben. No, that was a green, 100%. 100% was a green.
Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah.
Fuck. The Lord's Artifact. What are you?
The Lord's artifact, apparently. Tachanka, it looks like a fucking Tachanka charm.
Oh yeah. Keep giving me fucking renown. I'm broke.
You get an OD back.
You know what's crazy? He already has more than me.
Yeah.
Come on, come
You're
on,
getting
come
hella
on.
back.
Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Not perp, not perp. Some say could be better. Some say could be worse.
If it's a
What
dude,
the
you get
fuck?
OD back.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Bruh.
Ugh.
I guess I'll clip it, but I don't run you. Come on, come on, come on. Wait, what is this? Alright. One more for the Johnson.
Dude, that Vector Glare shit is probably one of the worst skins.
This
for
may be
any-
worse. Demon Veil.
Yeah, I can agree with that.
I have it. I'm like
Johnson pack.
fucking
Fuck.
Clash.
Fuck, the Johnson pack didn't work.
Bokabi.
Alright, wait. Maybe another
Bokabi.
toe? Nope.
So bad.
I could get with the toe pack and then a nose pack.
Alright, Pat.
Yeah, let's get a controller upside down pack.
Alright, alright. I'm gonna do nose and upside down. Fuck you. I want one more, and I want it to be a primary. I don't run shotguns. Fuck! Dude, it's not looking good. We're at 11.
No, think about it like this: 13. You got enough rebound for.
Mm-hmm.
We're in a drought right now, fellas. I'm not liking it.
Kind of a drought. Come on.
Come on now.
Come on now. Come on now.
Fuck. That is.
What? What is this
That's
shit?
That's some Chernobyl type shit. Right
I have
there.
this black ice too. Fuck.
Oh, so it's just fucking useless then.
Yeah, literally useless. Alright, maybe the ugliest skin in the game. What is this? Weave? Alright. This is looking chalked.
I feel like I didn't miss anything.
Little rapid fire action.
Rapid fire. Rapid succession. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Come on, man.
Come on. Come on.
We need this. Oh my god.
Fucking oil spill. Who cares about this dog shit camo?
I have that for like Thunderbird, and I think I want to say Buff. I'm not sure.
At this point, I'm just pissed. I'm just ripping.
Get a reset of the luck one on the last one.
Well, they're gonna save the best for last.
Yeah, right? Wait, nah, this isn't the last technically.
Well, last out of the 50.
Nope, they never say that ever. They never say that shit ever.
They never say that shit. They never say that shit. We can get two pack, two pack, two pack, two pack, two pack.
Controller first or mouse first?
What were you doing on the last couple?
Controller.
Mouse.
Yeah, I go mouse, yeah.
Fuck! What is this flamboyant ass skin? Alright, alright, alright. It's been a good run so far. I mean, not really.
Three black ice is not bad.
Two secondaries though, only one.
Oof. Oof.
Yeah, it's strong.
Oof.
Let's forget that ever happened. Invite me.
Oof. Oof.
Oof.
Oof.
That one was that
I
last
mean,
one was
I'm
rough.
Owie.
I'm gonna have to run fucking Thunderbird next season OD.
Or Cav.
Fuck that.
Immediate. Nah, I'm good. I don't want to.
Fuck that.
Who are the pistols for again?
Thorn. And he I forgot what the other one was. I go look it up.
Should we look
You're a
at bank?
bank. You're a bank.
Oh,
I
they're
swear
so
to God, if we
tight.
get labs now. Oh, thank God.
It would have been bank too.
It would have.